Hello and welcome my digital outspace family and friend. Upon request, today's video we will try to use again the easy pose to reproduce a gun. So one of my friends, after seeing our previous video about using 3D model to draw any type of characters, he asked me if I can use that same technique to create a gun. So any kind of weapon. So I have this idea, why not trying using easy pose to create it. No such things like a complicated 3D modeling software, just using easy pose and you a really easy technique. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's start by a pre-existing gun that we will use as a base to create our sniper gun. We go to the object and we select a pre-existing gun, as I said. Okay, here it is. So now we will start by scaling it a little bit by using the scalar table that you can see on your right, and we will try to increase it forward and give it also a bit of width. And now we will also take a cube that will use for a gun. So by using the pre-existing port, we wanted to create like a rifle gun, or like a sniper gun, like AS50 or SVDK, for example. So by having this image in our head, we will try to start placing our barrel. For example, here we select that cylinder that we'll be using for a barrel. So we use the rotate table on the right, to scale it up exactly. And I think this size is pretty good. So now we can move it in front. So what I would advise, please be careful not using your hand, because sometimes as you have to be precise, it's better using the position or scalar table. And if it's happened that you move things around like you didn't want, you still can use the under button or reset the position of the object. So now I think here we have it. So I will duplicate. You can duplicate that cylinder just by copy and paste to create the barrel. The first part was the upper receiver assembly. Now we'll create the barrel, and then exactly. So just by using like a simple shape, we will create our sniper looking gun. And we'll try again to duplicate that same one. Now to create the telescope of our sniper. Here it is. And the last part will be to position the magazine. So we'll again copy and paste the cube. Yeah. Use the position table to narrow it down. And also to scale it up. Okay, and here you have it. So it's really pretty simple technique. No need really complicated 3D model software. Just to give you an idea about how the gun that you wanna create. So you can use that same technique to create your weapon, either a sword, gun, and so on. And this is the first part of this video series. The second will be how I retrace that drawing. I hope you really enjoyed that video, and please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I hope you really get inspired for this video. Please stay tuned for more in our channel. Thank you again for watching.